Hey Leisha, this is Alexis from Taylor & Sons. I'll just do a quick video overview of the Traverse for you. So I did a quick walk around before this. Notice there are just a couple paint chips here. You can kind of see for scale. Got one there, one there. I think that might be a bug. And then one little one up on the front here. Other than that, I didn't see any like dings, scratches, anything like that. Do a close up of the wheels here. Looks like we do have, oh, that's just some dirt rubbed away there. Inside's very clean, no smells or anything like that. Didn't see any rips or tears. Back. Headliner's clean from any stains. Back here we're clean. Side here. And there you go. If you have any questions, want any extra pictures, or me to go back and zoom in on anything, just let me know.